Well, here's a fun one, 2001 Dodge Dakota 4-wheel drive extra cab. 2-door, nice big wheels and tires, alloy wheels with lots of rubber there. Tow hitch, bed liner. Cloth interior. AM/FM stereo CD player. It's got fade and balance, bass and treble. So it's kind of a nice setup. Cruise control, tilt wheel, power windows, locks, and mirrors. Nice little truck. Somewhere we gotta so this is a this little guy is a 4.7 liter V8. Once again, automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. So come check it out. Dorn Brothers Truck Sales, 3130 Portland Road in Salem, Oregon. You can call Mike or John Dorn at 503-585-4731. Check us out at our website at dorngooddeal.info. Thanks for looking today. Look forward to talking to you.